Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to identify the BAQ used to create a dashboard. I have a menu, and this menu displays a dashboard. Since dashboards are created using BAQs, I want to find out the name of the BAQ behind this dashboard. To do that, I start by opening Menu Maintenance. Next, I need to locate the menu path. I already know the menu I'm looking for is called Part Number Details Kinetic. So I go to Menu, then Sales Management, Order Management, and Dashboards, and search for that menu. Here it is, Part Number Details Kinetic. Once selected, I review its details. The dashboard associated with this menu is called Part Dash. I close this window, then go to the dashboard menu. I open it, type Part Dash, press Tab, and the dashboard opens. As you can see, the menu references Part BAQ. With that information, I can now go to Business Activity Query and search for the BAQ named Part BAQ. I press Tab, and when I click Test, it should match the dashboard displayed on the dashboard screen. Here you can see a simple dashboard that includes all the part-related fields. If you compare them, you'll notice the same data appears in both places. This is a simple way to identify which BAQ corresponds to the dashboard you are currently running. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.